Hello YouTube. Today I'm gonna I'll show you how to set any ringtone you have as a notification. The first method I was gonna upload before I found out this method required root access, but this method I found out you don't need root access. So it's very simple too. All you need to do is get your notification. You want to create a notifications folder in your SD. And as you can see, I have one notification in there. I'm just gonna go ahead and rename that YYYU. Okay, never mind. YouTube.com slash bacon for TTG. Okay, the file name is not valid. Whatever. I'll just name it to bacon for TTG. Bacon for TTG. Okay, I'll just put another one in there too. 1 minute. Okay, I'll name it this one too. UIYPI. Okay, just to show you. And you just want to move that. By the way, if you want to know where I got this file manager, it came with my phone actually. It's a pretty good file manager too. Notifications, paste. There, now settings, sound, notification ringtone. Okay. There you go.
Shut up!
Now let's go to YPI. There it is.
Shut up! Freckle sucking, redhead suck.
Okay, that was just some ringtone that I was playing, but yeah, as you can see, it works, and that's it. But please comment, rate, and subscribe, and I'll post my tutorial on how to do this, the method with root access. It's where if you remove your SD card, it's still going to be on there because it saves on your internal memory. So yeah, I'm Bacon for TTG, and I'm out.